Hello everyone. Homemade sweets are something that we all love and enjoy, and today I'm going to show you a perfect recipe for Kalakand. Now this is something that reminded me of sweets that I used to buy in sweet stalls. This is a great recipe that I have recreated for you guys with this magical ingredient, of course, milk and sugar. So let's get started and check out the recipe. So the first step is to make the Chenna for the Kalakand. For this I've taken 500 ml of milk. This is full cream milk. Bring the milk to a boil. So once the milk comes to a boil, reduce the flame. Squeeze the juice of 1 lemon. So this will curdle the milk and form the Chenna. Boil it for a few minutes. Turn off the stove. So you can see you have this lovely Chenna here. Milk has curdled. Strain it. Just pour some fresh water to remove the lemony flavor or the sour taste. The next step is to make the khoya or the khova, that is the milk fudge. For this, to a pan, take 1 liter of full cream milk. Bring it to a boil. So make sure you keep stirring the milk so that it doesn't stick to the bottom or get burnt. Maintain the flame on a medium-high and keep stirring it till it reduces considerably. So you can see the milk is gradually reducing. It's becoming nice and thick and all the cream is forming here. Make sure you scrape off all the cream that's sticking to the pan on the sides. So you can see the milk has reduced beautifully. It's become nice, thick and creamy. Now before the khoya thickens and becomes very dry, I'm going to add the Chenna. So once the excess moisture is evaporated, I'm going to add about half cup of ghee. Reduce the flame to a medium and keep mixing. After adding the ghee and mixing it for about 5 minutes, add 1 cup of sugar. Now this is a 250 ml cup. To this I'm going to add a few strands of saffron, some cardamom powder. Continue to keep mixing. So if you want to remove it at this point, you can remove it and set it in a tray. I like the sugar to be a little more caramelized. I'd like a lovely golden brown color. So I'm just going to leave it on for a few more minutes. So now the Kalakand mixture is done. I'm going to transfer it into a small tray and set it. Grease the tin with a little ghee on all sides. So you can see it's got a lovely caramel color. So this is what I wanted. Transfer it to a tin while the mixture is still hot. You don't want it to cool it down completely. So gently press it into the tin. You need the Kalakand mixture to set in the tin. Just take like 1/4 teaspoon of ghee and spread it over on top and just even it out on all sides. Trust me, it's going to absorb all the ghee, and once it cools down completely, you will wonder where all the ghee disappeared. Now I have some mixed nuts, pistachios, almonds and some melon seeds. You can add cashew nuts, walnuts, whatever you please. Just gently press it in so it all sets inside. Let it rest for about 1 to 2 hours till it sets perfectly. Then you can mark it and cut it into pieces. So here is this rich and fudgy kalakand with all those nuts on top. Now let me tell you, I've tried this recipe 3 times already and I can't have enough of it. My family loved it and I can't wait to make it again. So do try this recipe and enjoy.